almadomus.
So, good morning. I'm Alessandro. I'm the CEO of Almaware, and I'm glad to present you almadomus, our home automation device. In the history, people always search for home automation. Think about what washing machine was in the past. We want to do the same with your wall switches. almadomus is a new home automation device that fits inside your wall and replaces your wall switches with a beautiful and stylish device. You can control it using its touchscreen, using your smartphone, and even using your voice. almadomus can control up to 3 devices directly connected and even remotely different device in other room. But almadomus can even measure power consumption and help you to save a lot of money, a lot of energy. And almadomus can be used as a thermostat too, like Nest, for instance. But the most important thing is that almadomus is very simple. So simple that even Julia, the daughter of my co-founder Marco, used for the first time our prototypes without any problem. What about competitors? We have 2 different families of competitors. We are different from traditional home automation because we are cheaper, because almadomus is a do-it-yourself product. You don't need an expert, and you don't need to put wires in your wall, because it is a wireless product. And is different from what we call bazaar home automation, full of different device and product, because it is a all-in-one device product that can control anything in your home and be a thermostat too. We worked hard in these 2 years, and now we have a patent and prototypes, working prototypes, and we plan with an investment to go from the actual stage to the production phase for 200 pieces and to sell these pieces to the Italian business-to-business market. We choose this market not only because it's the market that we know better, but because Italy is the third home automation market in the Europe. In the future, we plan to go from the business-to-business market, and we plan to go to the reseller and the consumer finally. But the consumer is the most difficult market to reach, so we plan to go there in the next 2 years. We think that we have the correct team to do that, and we have a strong collaboration with a big marketing company in Italy that can help us to sell our product. So, if you want to be part of the next home automation revolution, please talk with us. Thank you.
Okay. Questions?
Quick question, what's your background and why did you start this company in particular in that
We
space?
started with software developers. We have 20 years software developers, me and my co-founder, and we started 2 years ago to learn a lot about domotics and hardware. We created by ourselves the prototypes, but we asked the help to learn all these hardware things because we plan to take an engineer to have a better product in the next 6 months.
Can you please expand a little bit more on how do you connect all the devices that normally wouldn't speak to each other through wireless software that prepares to speak with everything else?
Yeah, I mean that they communicate automatically wireless because almadomus create a wireless network, a wireless mesh network. It doesn't need a central unit, so you can put one more almadomus in your home, and they automatically create. So you can use one almadomus to control all the almadomus in your home. But there is another thing: almadomus use a standard protocol that is Z-Wave, so it can control any device from other brands, and there is thousands of devices that using that protocol.
Okay, so thank you.